Here's how to print selected cells. I'm only going to select invoice to status and just these cells I want to print. I'm going to select them, go to File, Download, PDF. Here it'll automatically show the current sheet, but at the top right under Export, change this to Selected Cells. Now I have only the selected cells in my sheet. I can have the sheet name if I want or not, or page numbers or workbook title. I can add those all here, but I can also print just the selected cells. Click Export, and there you go. You've printed all of the selected cells into a PDF. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.